velocity omega 2 and angular acceleration alpha 2, P be the common point of contact. If pulley 1 rotates clockwise, pulley 2 will rotate anti-clockwise. Assume point P on pulley 1. We have x1 is equals to xb is equals to r1 into theta 1. v1 is equals to vp is equals to r1 into omega 1. a1 is equals to ap is equals to r1 into alpha 1. Assume करो point P को on pulley 2. We have x2 is equals to xp is equals to r2 into theta 2. v2 is equals to vp is equals to r2 into omega 2. a2 is equals to ap is equals to r2 into alpha 2. From relations 1 and 2 we have xp is equals to r1 theta 1 is equals to r2 theta 2. vp is equals to r1 omega 1 is equals to r2 omega 2. ap is equals to r1 alpha 1 is equals to r2 into alpha 2. General plane motion. It is the combination of translation motion and rotational motion happening simultaneously. Example, consider a rod AB having one end A on vertical wall and other end B on floor is sliding. VA, velocity of point A will be vertically down and VB, velocity of point B will be horizontally towards right. Drawing perpendicular to direction of VA and VB, we get center I, hence I is the instantaneous center of rotation. Why I is called ICR? Because velocity of point A and B at an instant is giving I. At some other instant, rod AB will have position A prime, B prime and velocities VA prime and VB prime. Therefore, its ICR will be I dash. How to identify general plane motion? Rod AB in above example slipping against vertical wall and horizontal floor. Rod had shifted its position means there is translation motion involved. Angle of rod had changed means there is rotational motion. This is happening simultaneously, therefore rod is performing general plane motion. Link mechanism. Link AB is performing fixed axis rotation about point A. If omega AB is the angular velocity given to bar AB, then VB is the linear velocity of end point B. Slider C is sliding horizontally. Therefore, VC is the linear velocity of slider. Link BC is performing general plane motion. By drawing perpendicular to direction of VB and VC, we can locate the intersection point as ICR. Rolling of a body without slipping. Rolling body is performing general plane motion. If a body is rolling without slipping on stationary surface, then the point of contact with stationary surface is the instantaneous center of rotation. Body with various shapes, if rolls, it has to roll about point I. Absolute and relative motion in general plane motion. Absolute and relative motion in general plane motion. Plane motion, translation motion in the direction of slider A. Rotational motion of AB about point A. In second case, translation motion in the direction of slider B and rotational motion AB about point B. So, general plane motion is a combination of translation motion and rotational motion.